Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2 without deleting all the data. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who basically just want to improve the performance of their Nintendo Switch without deleting everything. Now, in order to do this, what we're first going to do is that we're going to go ahead and turn off our Nintendo Switch. So in order to do that, we're going to press and hold the power button up here and wait until a drop-down menu appears. Go ahead and click on Power Options and then click on Power Off. Now, once your Nintendo Switch 2 is powered off, you want to hold the power button and the volume down and the volume increase button all at the same time. So you're holding all three buttons, and then you're going to release all three buttons once the Nintendo Switch 2 logo appears. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's the first logo, and then this should be the Switch 2 logo. So go ahead and release it. And so once you release it, you're going to enter something called recovery mode. So with recovery mode, you have this option here called restore settings and keep user data. So this is going to delete all the data on the system, except for save data, screenshots, videos, and user information. So go ahead and select this option here, and that should reset your Nintendo Switch 2 without deleting all of its data. And then once you want to exit or out of recovery mode, just press the power button really quickly and then reboot your Nintendo Switch 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2 without deleting all the data. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.